Creating unique logo posters and banners. Let's download a logo from the internet. I searched for the Java logo on Google and checked the first result, which led me to brandslogos.com, where I downloaded the logo. Now, I will head to the Photopea tab, installed from GitHub. You can get it by searching for Photopea Automatic1111 on Google. On GitHub, simply copy the link, go back to our webUI. In Extensions, click on Install from URL. Paste the URL and click Install. Wait for the installation to complete, then verify it in the Installed tab section. After that, you can apply and restart the UI. Now, in the Photopea section, we will create a black and white mask of the logo we downloaded. To do this, we'll start a new project by clicking File and then New. Set the width and height as desired. I use 1024 by 1024 for the best results. As mentioned earlier, the background should be black. This is our project with one layer, which is our background. Next, let's add the logo we downloaded. Now, we need to select the logo properly. With the help of the Magic Wand tool, we can select the visible logo. With just a single click, the image is selected. However, I wanted only the logo to be selected. I have an option called Inverse. And now, we have selected the visible content of logo. To change the color, let's select the Paint Bucket tool. Select the color as white. In my case, it's already white because I've tried multiple times to figure out the process. Note that smart objects must be rasterized. This is what it says here. As I'm new to image editing, I don't actually know what this means. However, my interest in AI has brought me here. To fix this, click Rasterize in the dropdown, which should resolve the issue. By clicking, we can apply the selected color, and the mask is now ready. To download the mask, click File in the menu and then Export as PNG. Now, we can use this mask with controlnet to blend the logo in the image generation process. Let me show you what I mean. I'll use a prompt I took from the internet, which I'll share in the description. My default negative prompt will be the usual one. I will select the sampling method as DPM plus SDE, and the schedule type as Keras. Since I want to generate multiple images, I will increase the batch count. Next, I will move on to the controlnet section, which I downloaded from GitHub. Let's upload the masked logo image. To ensure the best results, we must make sure the image size matches. There is a button provided that will take the size of the masked logo and update in the above boxes. I will select the control type as line art and the preprocessor as line art realistic. I will also select the controlnet model as controlnet scribble SDXL. You can obtain this by searching for Zinsir controlnet model and clicking on the first result. Then, check all the models uploaded by this ID by clicking on their name. There is the Scribble SDXL. Open. Go to Files and Versions. Download the file named Diffusion PyTorch model.safetensors. To save the file, go to your Automatic1111 folder. In webUI Extensions, there will be a file for controlnet. Now into its model folder is where the file should be. Make sure to rename the file appropriately. I have multiple files because few didn't work when tested. Thanks to Shinsir for making this available. Training a model like this involves using a huge number of specific types of images, which is no easy task. Let's run the preprocessor and check the output. It looks okay, so now, let's generate the image. The image is amazing. Creating something like this in Photoshop would be a challenging task. I have a few more prompts that may enhance the output even more, so let's try them out. I'm not a digital artist, but this is good, and it may come in handy for someone. Let me know your thoughts about such tools. I find it interesting to work with these tools to discover more. Stay connected by subscribing, it motivates a lot. More content like this is on the way.